Panoorin nyo ang gagawin dito guys. Yung puso, i-spell ko isa-isa from 1 to king. Pagkatapos kong may spell, makikita nyo yung spade magkasunod-sunod from 1 to king. Okay? Panoorin nyo guys. Sa-shuffle ko muna guys ha. Ayan. Pagkatapos spell natin, okay? O-N-E 1 T-W-O 2 T-H-R-E-E 3 F-O-U-R 4 F-I-V-E 5 S-I-X 6 F-E-V-E-N 7 E-I-G-H-T 8 N-I-N-E 9 T-E-N 10 J-A-C-K Jack Q-U-E-E-N Queen K-I-N-G King. Ito ang panoorin nyo guys, yung huli. Tingnan nyo, nagkasunod-sunod guys. O, diba guys? Thank you for watching. Like, share, comment. Sana nagustuhan nyo ang video ko guys. Papaw na rin kung pwede. Thank you.